Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change border style in Google Sheets mobile app. Okay, let's get started. Here I have prepared my file in my Google Sheets mobile app. And first of all, I'm going to add border to this data. I'm just going to select my data like this, and then we can click on this icon to access the format, and just scroll down until you find the format cell. Okay, and here we'll be able to customize the border style. I'm going to apply all border to my data. Okay, and here we can change the border style. For example, I'm just going to select this one, double border. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change border style in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.